nighttime, Christmas spot over with, y'all. My son got this fast ass ride. This fast ass smoke control car, y'all. My husband's co-worker gave him. Wasn't that nice? Look how fast it is.
Oh, really? I don't want your floor.
That's alright. We'll clean the floor. He's scratching the floor up with this thing. Oh my goodness. No, it didn't. Oh, that thing too fast, y'all. That thing knocked over the lamp. Davey, this go-kart here. What you done rigged up underneath here about these wires? Boy, this thing got speed, boy. What's up? Where y'all go-kart racers at? Y'all want to race this go-kart here? Look at it. He can't really hit the gears because that is so fast. Oh. 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 Look at Ava, y'all. Ava scared. Don't be scared, Ava. Go get it. Look at Ava, y'all. She's scared. She's scared. Don't be scared. Ooh, it's fast. Ooh, that thing messed up my floor. Ooh, boy, you finna be scrubbing tonight. No, I ain't know it gonna look like this here now. Oh my goodness, we gotta go out on this, out there to the park. Look how that thing messed up my floor. Ooh, look. Okay, I'm thinking you gonna have to pause that because it's scraping up.